Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. This is Nancy. I'm getting ready to teach my Glass on Glass Mosaic Workshop. I think maybe this is the 5th or 6th time I've taught this particular workshop. We'll be using No Days adhesive. It's a heat set adhesive that I like to use on my Glass on Glass. So I teach my technique that I've kind of perfected over the years. All of their stations are set. Everyone's got the essential tools. Running pliers and nippers and scorers and of course safety glasses. Their glass is all prepped. That's the No Days film on top of their glass. We will be using all of this beautiful transparent art glass. So be sure to follow on Facebook Mosaics Garden by Nancy Keating, and also Mosaics and Wine on Facebook. But unfortunately, in this workshop, there is no wine included. We are working with some sharp tools.